One of my favorite aspects of this career is mentoring. I find really rewarding about working in this space is watching people grow and develop and watching them do cool stuff that you didn't know they could do. And if you have a little bit of a role in helping them do that, then it feels even better. My approach to mentoring is really trying to understand, where someone is in their career, frankly, where they are in their life, and what are they trying to do? What do they want to do? Because at the end of the day, I think the best mentor isn't teaching what you know. Best mentor is trying to help someone learn what they need to learn to accomplish what they want to accomplish. So it's very mentee-centric. And the best mentoring organizations actually put the burden on the mentee to set it up and schedule it. They don't tell the mentors that they have to go set up calls and stuff because it's supposed to be driven by the mentee, but the mentor really has to spend the time to understand where that person is, where that person wants to go, and give them some useful information on how to get there.